How to create a pin on Pinterest mobile app. It's pretty easy, so let's start. First, open the app and then go down here and click on this plus. Here, as you can see, there's a pin, so click on it. And now you will choose your picture or some video. I will do with this cat here. Click next. And you don't need to save to the board, so click on this X and this is your pin. You can give your pin a title, so nice cat. And description, I don't know, cats. Okay. You can also add a destination, a website, some link here, and click next. All right. And I'm gonna save it to this port, okay. And if you go here, click on all pins, you will see your pin here. And that's it. This is how can you create a pin on Pinterest. Guys, thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button. If you want to support this channel, subscribe to the channel and see you in the next one. Goodbye.